Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your TikTok account was permanently banned. So, as you can see that we cannot open the TikTok mobile application because it is banned. So what we will do, we will just go to the Chrome browser. You can choose any of the browser according to your preferences, and here we will just search here TikTok Help Center, right? And we will just open the Help Center here. After that, guys, in the search bar you have to just search ban, okay, and just hit the enter, and here you will search so many options. So basically you have to go here content violation and ban, okay, and just click on here, and here you will see the community guidelines and all that. So basically just scroll to the bottom here, right, and here just go to the bottom and just click on the no. But basically, guys, here you can see that appeal directly from the app. Just click on it, and after that you will be redirected to a new page. So you have to wait till it get loaded, right? And here you can see that basically these are the functions, or these are the options, steps that you can just manage your account, right? So we will just scroll a little bit down once again, and here we will just try to find out. Let me show you. You will get option that please send a report here. So just click on please send a report here, and after that you have to enter your email address, your username, your TikTok username, the topics. So here we will search that TikTok account ban and suspension. Then click on tell us more. Here you can just ban account not, or whatever the right, and if your reason is completely different, just click on the others and you can explain it here, right? And basically you have to make sure that you enter your whatever the reason why you got banned, or if you got banned by mistakenly, then you can just, this will help you to recover it. And the upload option, you can just attach a screenshot or any kind of proof that you want to give, and make sure that you tick mark this and just click on this submit, right? So this is it, guys. If you found this video really helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.